It is a press release, and actually, this is how the press release goes. Once again, this press release is released on behalf of Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, and it goes like this. You cannot take over Yoruba land just as the northern part of Nigeria has been taken over by the Fulani terrorists. I, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, I am a Yoruba nation self-determination activist, and the Yoruba nation must stand. No going back. President Muhammadu Buhari said yesterday that we Yoruba people are friends with the Hausa people. This is true. We are friends with the Hausa, Igbo, Kanuri, and all other ethnic groups. But we retain and maintain our indigenous nationality that we were created by Almighty God. But we have Omoluabi in our nature. This is why we have shown great hospitality to anyone that comes as a stranger to our land. The activities of the Fulani, both Nigerian Fulani and most especially the foreign Fulani, according to the federal government of Nigeria lately, had made us wanting to regret both our hospitality and generosity. The British that amalgamated the northern and the southern Nigeria together knew we are not the same. We Yoruba are not fools. We know that Nigeria resources comes mostly from the southern Nigeria, yet the southern Nigeria that are used and still being used to develop the northern Nigeria are now being extended to their brothers in Niger Republic. Yet the foreign terrorists from the Niger Republic and their environment are surrounding our forests, kidnapping, killing, and wreaking havoc on the Yoruba people. We know what the Fulani did to you Hausas. All the emirs in the north are Fulani and all the governors are Fulani as well. We know vividly how they systematically subdue, conquer the Hausas in their land. But let them know now, we are Yoruba. No, it is impossible, and the Fulani will soon realize that. This is why Yoruba nation is not going back. We know we were not the same in regard to culture, history, beliefs, and values, even our geography. So must we rule over one another. Let everyone manage their own territory as created by God, not the British creation called Nigeria. The killings, maimings, loss of income, and damage to Yoruba people is landed property. Enough is enough. We know these killings are nothing to the Fulani, but it means a lot to we, the Yoruba people. And that is why President Muhammadu Buhari has kept quiet on the Fulani killings. The president has done absolutely nothing to stop this killing. We know President Muhammadu Buhari is the patron and all of the Fulani worldwide. But Yoruba land can never be conquered by Fulani. President Muhammadu Buhari was reminding Nnamdi Kanu and the Igbos of the massacre they carried out during the Biafra War. The president should know that this can never be repeated again in any of our land. We have all woken up to Fulani agenda. The Middle Belt people are also being killed. Everyone knows who is behind all these atrocities, and the President Muhammadu Buhari is their life patron. So we, the Yoruba, are pulling out and reclaiming our sovereignty as we were before the British colonized. It is our God-given right, and there's no going back on our quest for Yoruba nation self-determination. I want to issue warning to all the terrorist Fulani, home and foreign land, and the foreign Fulani in the Yoruba forest to leave now before it is too late. When the Alale Yoruba fully begins, most of you would not live to tell the story. Olayomi Koiki, spokesman for Chief Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, today being the 10th of August 2022. Once again, we do apologize for the first part of that program where the audio was muted. And I hope the message has now been delivered. Please pass this message on to both the local and the international media. Once again, have a very good evening and enjoy the rest of the evening. Till we meet again, bye for now.
Life is so funny. You come with nothing, then fight for everything, and later leave everything and go back with empty hands. God is powerful. Life is so funny. You come with nothing, then fight for everything, and later leave everything and go back with empty hands. God is powerful. Life is so funny. You come with nothing, then fight for everything, and later leave everything and go back with empty hands. God is powerful. Life is so funny. You come with nothing, then fight for everything, and later leave everything and go back with empty hands. God is powerful.